Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be opening up one of these bundle things and then the starter packs. Now, I've already opened up one of these and I got a signature style card in it. It was Lance Stroll, but we don't go there. So I'm going to see if this time the signature style is in these packs instead of the starter pack, because last year it was in the starter pack. Have they changed it so that it's now in this pack? We don't know. But let's get into it. Get it all opened up. I can't open it. There we go. Okay, so I don't need all of that stuff, all of this stuff. I already have that. I think that's everything. Okay, so we get, as before, we get our Jumbo Lewis Hamilton card. That looks really nice. I'm thinking in here we get our special edition cards. So we've got Belgium, RB. I don't like having to change how I'm holding the cards constantly. Pit stops, Mercedes, and then we get the Lewis, Ruby, and the Emerald Kimi Antonelli, which I'm going to call the Herbal, because I thought I read it and it looked like it said Herbal the first time I looked at it. But there are like special edition cards, and then we move on to this one. Now, is this one going to have a signature style in it? If it does, we know that these are the ones to get if you want the signature styles. Not really seeing that much back there, but we'll see. We have, let's just get through these. Pierre Gasly. We have Bogdanovic, Max Verstappen, Maria Marti. Pit stops, McLaren. Ayo Komatsu. We have Lando Norris, can go on my pile, wherever that pile is. Carlos Sainz and Alexander Albon, Esteban Ocon, and World Champions. So no, I just got lucky with the signature style. Maybe the signature styles are quite rare this year, I don't know. Oh no, that was the starter pack. So if it's going to be in one, it's going to be in this one. This one's the bundle pack. So this was what it was in last time. It was in one of these. So I'm going to open this first. We might have something in there. I don't know what it is, but we'll have a look. Laurens van Hoopen. Isaac Hadjar. Sammy. I don't know. We have Kimi Räikkönen, Icons of the Grid. Like that. We have Lando Norris. Another for the pile. I mean, I think I've already got it. Another one for me to throw. Whoop. We have Michael Schumacher, the legend. We have Ollie Behrman. We have Fernando Alonso Opal. Pretty nice card. We have Max Verstappen Orange. Nice. And then we have Pierre Gasly. Okay. So let's have a look at these ones. Noel Leon. We have the Miami Grand Prix. Meme Mayhem. Not sure how I feel about those cards. Charles Leclerc. Public service announcement. Well done, cowboy. Nico Hülkenberg. We have National Pride. Oscar Piastri. He looks evil there. He looks like he's thinking up some sort of cunning plan. Lewis Hamilton tops awards. Year's most stylish driver. Alpine. Gabriel Bortoletto. And Nico Hülkenberg. We got both of the Sauber drivers. Okay. Are we going to get a signature style? Is that how these are going to work? We don't know. Pole position, Max Verstappen. There's a lot of Max Verstappen in this. I don't know how you pronounce this guy's name. I don't watch F3. Nico Hülkenberg. We throw Lance Stroll away. We have Sebastian Montoya. Dino Bogdanovic. Ollie Behrman. Stars of Tomorrow, Luke Browning. F175. And Podium Power, Lewis Hamilton. Okay, last pack. Are we going to get something cool? That's a legend on the back. We have Emilia Romagna, V-Carb, Sprint Superstar Lewis Hamilton, Joshua Dirksen. We have, oh, there we go, Sprint Superstar Lando Norris. Another for the pile. I can go over here. World Champion Max Verstappen. We've got a pink card, which is pretty cool. Kick Sauber. Oh, we've got a pink card, but it's an RB. And then, 100 Club Mika Hakkinen. I did not like Mika Hakkinen back in the day because he was up against my beloved Michael Schumacher. And yeah, but I like Mika now. So yeah, that is everything that we got. Nothing outstanding in this one. Still, the card that I've got that's probably the best is the Lance Stroll signature style one. And I don't know how I feel about that. But yeah, that's everything. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want more Topps content, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.